Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to make an existing inches file into an file. So it is very simple, as you can see right over here. The whole drawing is in feet and inches, but now we want it in So all we have to do is type DWG units, uh, units, which is right over here. DWG units. Press enter. It will ask you a couple of questions like what units you want to do, what precision you want, scientific, non-scientific. So here we have the options. Wait, I'll just make the screen bigger. So we want 3 millimeters, so we'll just type 3. We need decimal, so we'll type 2. Linear display format, as you can see, we'll type 4. Scale objects from other P, yes. Inside unit drawing units, yes. Scale objects current drawing to reflect change in units, yes. Include objects in paper space, yes. And it is scaling the entities in the paper space. And as we can see it over here, all the things and all the text, all the things have been scaled to its regular units. As you can see it over here, now we'll say u and enter. And here you can see that this has been changed to millimeter. So that's how easy your process is, just by typing it. So here we have the file in So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.